Getting things out of China has been getting tougher and tougher each passing day. It's not that China is not accessible, but the shipping charges have been really on the higher side, and companies are not really willing to pay for the shipping charges if the earphones are not really of that quality, and unless they are willing to promote them. They are not really interested in sending samples to India. Sending even buying from China has been really tough these days. After the AliExpress ban, it has been really tough for everyone. But this is not Chinese. I moved on to Europe, and I bought a fairly special earphone, to be precise. Very special, to be precise. This is unlike anything else that I have. This is from Alexier Bucharest, from Bucharest, and they do not make universal earphones. So this is a custom fit earphone that that is priced at around 500 euros. This is Alex Ear Maze. It houses 4 gear drivers. I'll be comparing it with the Dunu SS6, and we will see how this compares with that. This is a Alex Ear, and that's me. So these are the earphones. Really huge, aren't they? So I'm I'm already skeptical if the fit will be good or not, but we will see. These are custom earphones. These are huge, aren't they? These are huge. Look at the body. So yes, I have a big ear, SSM. So yeah, excellent. So the build quality. This is the build quality, which is not bad, but it remains to be seen if this sounds excellent or not. There isn't any extra accessories here. There are no ear tips or anything that we see with other earphones. There is a dehumidifier or silica gel box. There is a cleaning tool and a quarter inch adapter. Let's have a look at the cable. This cable is not excellent either. This is a okay type cable. Nothing really outstanding about them. These are okay kind of cable. Like most of the cable we see from China, these cables are imported from China nevertheless, and they do not have anything special about them. These are just a cable that is okay. You can get this kind of cable for around $5, $6, $7. These are not expensive at all. These are some of the cheapest kind of cable one can ask for, and yeah, they use this kind of cable to keep the prices on the lower side. But let's see how this compare with other earphones in this price range, in the similar price range. Custom earphones, my first ones, these are supposed to be very good. They are priced at 500 euros, and that's not a small amount. That nearly goes up to 44,000 rupees, and that's really on the expensive side. This is not cheap by any stretch of imagination. And let's see. I'll compare this with Dunu SA6, CU Sen, and see how this compare with them. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested, uh, you can find Alex here on Facebook. Drop them a message if you are interested in buying custom earphones. They'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching. There's the cleaning cloth. Okay, Alexia, I won't be using this. I have already a lot of cleaning clothes and stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.